Did you know that recruiters spend an average of only 7 seconds on a LinkedIn profile? This means that your profile needs to make an instant impact to actually get noticed. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through proven tips that can transform your LinkedIn profile to a job magnet and help you land your dream job much faster. Let's get started. Hi guys, my name is Aine, and on this channel I share useful job information, tips, and also if you love stuff like that, please subscribe my channel and join this amazing community. Okay, if you found value in this video, feel free to share it to friends and family who would also find value in it. Now let's get into the video. The first thing I'm going to be talking about today is your headline and your profile photo. These are the piece of information that every recruiter will see first. Okay, so it's important that you make sure that this information actually catches the eye of your recruiter. Craft a headline that is more than just your job title. You need to use keywords that describe the skills that is directly related to the kind of role that you are applying for. For instance, if you're applying for a digital marketing role, keywords like digital marketer, SEO specialist, helping brands grow online are the kinds of words you want to put in your header. You want to use a professional photo that is high quality, one where you look approachable and confident, something that aligns with the industry in which you are applying to. Number 2, you want to use a custom URL. That is the link that you share with people to actually access your LinkedIn profile. By default, these links probably come with some random numbers and letters, okay? So you want to put in that effort to go into your settings and actually changing your custom URL. Like you want to customize it to your name. You want to use your first name and your last name, okay? Because this makes it easier for recruiters to actually find you. And it overall has a very clean look to it. So make sure you actually customize your LinkedIn profile as opposed to just using the default one that just comes with your account. Number 3 is your about section. You want to start with a very strong opening line that summarizes your professional experience. Briefly describe your experiences, your core strengths, and everything related to that particular job role that you are passionate about. Then if you're someone who is actively looking for a job, then you want to put in a call to action at the end. Something in the lines of, I'm open to new opportunities in this industry, or let's connect. Number 4, highlight key skills and keywords. One way you can actually get relevant skills and keywords to the specific role you're applying for or your specific niche is to actually browse, okay, and research on other people who are also working in the industry that you intend to work in. For instance, you are a HR specialist, okay, and you're trying to optimize your LinkedIn profile. What you want to do is go online, probably to the specific companies that you're trying to target. Look for HR specialists in those companies, okay? Look at the keywords in their own about section. Look at the keywords that they use. Look at the skills that they prioritize. You want to research broadly. Check out job description, okay? There's a specific company that you're targeting and they've probably posted a job opening. You want to go to the job description, okay, and take keywords from that job description. Take keywords from the profiles of people in similar roles. And you want to go and prioritize it all across your profile by placing them strategically in your about section and in your skill section. This would really go a long way in helping recruiters to actually sift your profile in the midst of a whole lot of other potential candidates. Number 5 is you actually want to showcase your accomplishments in the experience section of your job description, okay? You also want to focus on measurable accomplishments. For example, you want to be very specific, okay? What did you do in your previous role or your current role that you can actually quantify? For instance, I increased sales by 40% in Q2. That is an example. So you want to make sure that you are actually telling your employers what you specifically did by giving them actual figures. This really helps to make it more authentic. Now, recommendations. A lot of people may not understand or they may totally overlook the importance of recommendations, but as a job seeker, recommendations on your LinkedIn profile actually goes a long way in helping you gain credibility in the eye of your recruiters. So what you want to do is you want to reach out to your previous employers, colleagues, managers, and politely ask them to actually give you a recommendation on your LinkedIn profile, okay? This is a very simple step. All you want to do is go to your LinkedIn profile and you scroll down to click on recommendation, and you can easily send recommendation to any individual that you desire to send to. So all they need to do is check in their inbox, okay, and reply to that recommendation. This really would go a long way because when a recruiter sees that you have been recommended by somebody that you worked directly with, probably somebody that you served under, it could be your manager or your direct boss or even the CEO or a colleague that you work together on a project, okay, those recommendations will go a long way in giving the recruiter some kind of confidence in you because they can clearly see that you've worked with real people, you've actually done real life projects, and these people can vouch for your abilities. Another thing you can do to actually improve your online presence on LinkedIn is to make meaningful and valuable posts related to your niche. Let's take, for example, you are a social media manager, okay? Making posts that actually helps other social media managers, like random tips that can help them become better social media managers, or how to actually land a social media job role, or sharing posts related to that role will definitely help you. When a recruiter comes onto your page and they see related posts to the job you're applying for, it gives them an idea and makes them believe that you are actually invested in this particular niche and you will make a good candidate for that particular role. Then it's not enough to just post, okay? You actually want to also engage with other people's posts. So when you find relevant posts in your niche, you want to put up strategic comments, post brilliantly structured comments on those posts, okay? Because this will definitely help you get noticed. It will increase your reach and increase your impressions. Okay, you need to remember that your LinkedIn profile is more than just your resume, okay? This is a dynamic way for you to actually showcase your skills, your talent, basically tell your story in a professional way that would make it really appealing to recruiters in your niche. If you found value in this video, why don't you click the subscribe button below, like this video, and feel free to share with anyone you know who would find value in this. And until my next video, guys, bye.